American Airlines offers free high-speed Wi-Fi on most flights. American Airlines is rolling out free high-speed Wi-Fi on most of its flights for anyone with an AAdvantage account. AT&T is backing the connectivity, with service planned for more than 2 million flights a year. That effectively turns a huge chunk of America's network into a flying co-working space. Connect through the in-flight portal. Sign in with your AAdvantage number and password, then pick the free Wi-Fi option instead of paying per flight. If you don't have an AAdvantage account, enrollment is free and can be done before you leave or while you're already trapped in the aluminum tube. The rollout starts this month on narrow-body and dual-class regional jets, covering the bread-and-butter routes most travelers take. American says that by early spring, free Wi-Fi should be live across its fleet and on nearly all remaining flights, so the odds your next American Airlines trip forces you offline are getting slim. For frequent flyers who treat planes like temporary offices or gaming dens for their handhelds, this shift in flight internet from a luxury upcharge to a standard part of the ticket. American's executives frame high-speed connectivity as essential, which tracks with how people fly now streaming, doom scrolling, fixing Google Docs, and clearing Slack notifications at 35,000 feet. The airline is relying on Viasat and Intelsat for the satellite side, and recent testing puts Intelsat's median in-flight download speeds around 60 megabits per second, enough for multiple HD streams. It won't replace your home fiber, but compared to the dial-up in the sky era many travelers are used to, this is a serious quality of life upgrade. United is rolling out Starlink Wi-Fi for faster speeds. Delta offers free Wi-Fi to SkyMiles members, and American is making high-speed access a standard loyalty perk. The bar for a modern in-flight experience is rising, and charging $20 for slow Wi-Fi won't fly in 2026.